Recording the sewer line today at 8605 30th Ave Southwest. This is an update video from a year ago, or from when we installed the sewer liner a year ago. It's June 14th, 2022. Making this recording from the interior clean out of the home. We're looking at the Seattle City main flowing by out on 30th there. Coming back from there into a 6-inch diameter clay sewer line. Some minor root intrusion here as we get back closer to the property line. Then we come back into our 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner. I'm going to pause the video and go locate and see where we're at out on the property here. Okay, continuing the recording. I've got that spot located about 8 feet deep out in the planting strip between the sidewalk and the road. We come back into that 4-inch diameter liner. This was installed last year. We did this from the interior clean out here. That all looks really good. Come back into the cast iron piping now. So there's where the liner ends, lift into that cast, back in the cast, and there's where I'm making the recording from, ending the video there.